Bitsy likes big boobs. Titsy. Bitsy is scatterbrained, she a bit ditzy. Bitsy didn't get her way, she threw a fitsy. Bitsy didn't like her job, she quiet quitsy. Hilda always gets her way, she strong-willed. Hilda likes to lift weights, bodybuilder. Hilda likes to get revenge, Matilda. Hilda might have went to far, overkilled her. Hilda likes to make liqueur, distilled her. Clover just bought a brand new car, Land Rover. Clover started a new paragraph, moreover. Clover watches TikTokers, Cova. Clover swam across the pond, crossover. Clover grew up in Delaware, Dover.